How to fix the Mound Omen of Cthulhu is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now from the launch options you want to add -dx11 command, then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once it's completed you can close Steam and then open up your browser. Now you'll need to navigate to this link, which you can find in the description below. And from the redistributable table, you'll need to get the 86 and the 64 installers and install both of them, which will require computer restart when you're done. Next, you want to also update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app to get driver updates. Otherwise, you can download the AMD software if you're running AMD. And once you installed the update, all you need to do is run Steam as admin by right-clicking on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library and it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.